guys, I got something cool here today to bring. It's a tool. I was going to repair my nephew's Wii remote. I have Nintendo screwdrivers and everything, but the Wii remote has these little holes that have to go through, and my bits are fat and not long enough to go down there. So I got another just regular screwdriver set for the Wii, so I can get it fixed, and the Wii U and stuff like that. And hey, it's screwdrivers. I like screwdrivers. And I think, the more you have, the better, because trust me, you always hate having to look for a screwdriver for something that you need for that 1 second. Oh, I got a screwdriver for it. And this one, I did not have this one for that 1 second, so I had to buy this. Oh, comes the screwdriver right out of the box. Interesting. We'll see how this product actually works. It's by T-Cox. Wait, T-Cox, yeah. Let's see. T-Cox, I guess that you would say. T-Cox or Cox or Tool. Wait, Tool-X or something. It is awesome though. It gives great reviews and everything. Great bag. All the screwdrivers are in there. Ooh, perfect. This is, I already had Nintendo ones, but these are for Super Nintendo, N64, and Super NES, so that'll work good with these ones. Pretty sure this other one is one too. Yep, perfect. So for the game cartridges, consoles themselves, and everything like that, so that is awesome. We got the regular pry tools and all that stuff. We got the little brush for cleaning out dust and stuff. And then we got all the little screwdrivers. This looks awesome. I'm excited, guys. The screwdrivers should work great. So we'll test it on a Wii remote. Let me get a Wii remote. See if it works correctly. Hopefully it does. Open up the battery pack. And then, this one is the that was the triangle. Let's find the, it would help if I got the right one, correct? Yeah, that would definitely help. Let's see here. That's the little screwdriver that fell out there. Let's see, which one am I looking for? Not that one. That looks like the one. Oh yes. Works like magic. Let's see if this one goes. Let's see. Oh, yep. Exactly the one I needed. Works fantastic. No problems whatsoever. Let's see. Xool. Xool. I guess that's how you say it. Xool or tool. It's weird because the instruction manual, it has 100X in it, so it's very interesting. Technology, IP technology, yeah. Saw it on Amazon, got good likes. I need the toolkit just for this one thing, but hey, you know what, I'm gonna keep it. It has a suction cup here too, some tweezers. So you know what? It's another tool to add to my arsenal. It does what it needs to do. That's all I needed to do is to be a tool, and it's a tool. So please guys, like, comment, subscribe. The name is hard, it's kind of weird in the bag, but Tools or TSX, or have a rock and rolling day, guys. Please like, please comment, subscribe. Rock on and have a wonderful rest of the week.